Dual pane windows. 2 panes of glass, fill it with an inert gas that helps with that low E efficiency. We seal them all up. But if we lose that thermal seal, what happens is that inert gas escapes. Now ambient air can come in. When that ambient air comes in and it contains moisture, humidity, it gets in between the 2 panes of glass. Here in Arizona, we're so cold on the inside and so hot on the outside that water vapor will condensate against the glass. That's what we're seeing here. Eventually, running down, creating streaks. Over time, this will evaporate. When it evaporates, it leaves behind all the minerals and particulates that's in that water vapor, and all of a sudden this glass will be foggy. The window is still doing its job. It's keeping out the wind, the rain, the elements. It's just not as energy efficient as it once was.
And you'll never get them clean.